So over here you can see that I have a video footage on my timeline, and let's say I want to track this video footage so that I can add in an element over here. So what I want to track right here is I want to track this little house right here, this little window, so that I can place an element right there. So if I were to press the play button, you can see that the window is there in the entire footage. So this is what you have to make sure of before you even start tracking. The element that you want to track should be visible in the entire video, otherwise it won't work. So in order to start tracking, I'm going to double click, and over here I'm going to enable motion tracking, and then you get this little box right here. So you can just go around and drag it right there and select this portion just like this. I'm just going to select this portion over here because this is the element I want to track. Now another thing that you need to make sure is to be sure that the timeline cursor right here is in the beginning. Otherwise, if it is in the center, it'll only start tracking from there. So now I'm going to hit start tracking, and you can see that it starts tracking the video footage right here. So if I were to play this out, you can see that the tracker is there in that particular window, just like this. So now another thing that you need to keep in mind while you're actually tracking is that the contrast should be there. So if there's not enough black and white, if it is not distinct with the level of detail, then there might be a problem in tracking. So now what I need to do is I need to go around and select the element that I want to be attached to the tracking. So I'm just going to go around to the element right here, and here you can see there are some graphics that I can use. So you just go around, and then I'm just going to go around and select the graphics that I want to use. Let's say I want to use this like right here. So I'm just going to go around and then resize this out and keep it right here, just like this. I'm just going to go around, keep it right here. And then what I need to do now is I need to link it out. So I'm going to go back to video, and I'm going to double click on this so that you get this. And over here, there's the target. And here you can select the web element circle, which is the element that you want to work with. So I'm just going to press OK, and then I'm going to press OK. So if I were to play this, you can see that now the like circle has been tracked out onto that footage right there. So you can do this with any element. You can bring in other videos and so forth, and anything else. So I'm just going to go around into this badge element right here. So it's downloading the online content, as you can see. So you can just go around and then use this one as well. So I'm just going to go around, and then I'm going to click on this. I'm going to resize this right here, and then I'm going to go around and keep it right there. So I'm just going to go around onto the beginning, and this is what I want. So let me just resize this out right here so that I can actually see this part out. So I'm just going to go around right here. So I guess this is it. That is fine. So now I'm going to go around into this footage. I'm going to select the badge element, and now you can see that it actually has been attached. You can go ahead into any part and then attach out the badge out, just like that. So let's press play, and there you go. You can see that popular has been tracked out onto that particular section right there. And that is how you can use motion tracking inside of Filmora. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.